Hence, in this video, we are going to see the fifth program of statistical machine learning for DSL. This is the question. A researcher conducted an experiment with the 20 samples, 20 participants to determine if a new drug affects the heart rate. The sample has a mean heart rate increase of 8 beats per minute and the standard deviation of 2 beats per minute. Perform the hypothesis test using the t distribution to determine if the mean heart rate increase is significantly different from 0 at the 5% significance level. So let's refer to the VTU circle program number 5. See, this is the program. Here we are using sci-fi and math modules. So just let me check once in my command prompt if I have installed sci-fi or not. If not, then it will install sci-fi. Just put this command. Yes, it is already satisfied. You can also check for that. And you can also check for pip install math. Math is already inbuilt function, inbuilt module, so we do not need to do this. But for just checking purpose, I did it. So now let's open our IDE and just click on new file. We are going to just copy this code and just paste this and save it as a SML file. Save and just click on run and wait for the output. See, this is the required output. Can also see here and verify it with video circles output. Okay. Stay tuned with me for the fifth program. Program is done. Let's stay tuned with me for the previous programs. You can watch my previous programs as well as the next program. Thank you for watching.